In this tutorial, I will show you everything you need to know about LeadPages and about how to use it. So LeadPages is, in my opinion, the best landing page builder, and they have more features. They also have a website builder, and in this video I'll basically show you how you can get the most out of LeadPages and how you can use this to get a bunch of leads for your business. Now you can see on the homepage here, 12 plus leads get generated daily by each LeadPages user on average. Then they get 5 times more conversions and over 270,000 businesses launched on LeadPages. So in this video, I'll just show you exactly how you can use this and how you can also get these numbers right here. So over 12 leads per day, 5 times more conversions. Now first you want to navigate to the LeadPages website. In the description, I will leave a link to this page right here, and from here all you need to do is enter your email right there and then click start my trial. So you will see if you sign up through the link down in the description, you can go and sign up for your free 14-day trial, and then here you can either sign up with email or you can choose to continue with Google. Then next up you can choose if you want to pay monthly or pay annually, but of course this will only be after your free 14-day trial. Now I'll just set it to pay monthly, and now you can see if you do switch to annual you will save $300 per year, so that is a pretty good deal. But for now I'll just keep it to monthly, and you can see you get started on the pro monthly plan, but you can always switch to the cheaper plan later. Now next up, add a payment method to start your trial, so you can connect PayPal or add a credit card. Now I'll just add a credit card and enter my details right here. The next up, to set up your account, they will ask what industry are you in, so just select any of these and they have templates for pretty much every single industry. Now I'll just go with home services. And then here you will see these steps. So get to know the builder, set up your brand, begin connecting a custom domain, connect an integration, and share your page. Now I recommend following these steps right here, because these 5 steps will really get you started. So first get to know the builder, click get started right here. So then they have this video for you. Now I'll just show you how I use it. So for now I'll just go to the landing pages right here and then click on create new landing page. Now what's really helpful is that they have a bunch of landing page templates. So as I said earlier, I was in the home services. So now here under industry, I can again select home services. And now here you will see a bunch of home services templates. Now they are always expanding their template library, so they will have a bunch of them. Now they also have for real estate, for example, or personal development, automotive, or whatever other industry you are in. Now for this example, I'll just stick to the home services. And now here you can sort by newest, conversion rate, or most popular. So for example, I'll go by the conversion rate. And now you will see that this template right here has the highest conversion rate in the home services. So I'm just going to click on start building right here. Now you can also preview it first to see if this is a fit for what you are trying to create. Now here enter a page name and then click continue. Now by the way, this page name will not be seen by anyone else. It's just for you to distinguish which page you are currently working on. So now here you will see the template. So this is for a guide to a toxic free home. So basically this one will help the customer download a guide. Now if that's not what you're trying to do, then I recommend picking a different template, because otherwise you will need to do a lot of customization. Now the customization is really simple in LeadPages, so that is helpful. But for example, if I want to change any text, you can simply click on the area of the text. And for example, if I want to change this text, then I can type in whatever I want here. I can change the type of headline. I can change the font, the color, the text size. I can even underline it. It's super simple to edit everything using this. You can also add a link to a piece of text where, for example, it will open up a Calendly pop-up, it jumps to a page section, etc. Now for this specific template, it is a download the guide template. So now if I click on the download the guide button right here, you will now see the click event will take them to my lead box 1. So this is the pop-up, my lead box 1. Now if you want to create a new pop-up, just click create new. And now we can create a new pop-up. So this is the pop-up. So they will be prompted to enter their email right here. And it will say, where can we send your free guide? Then they enter their email. And when they click sign up, this will be done automatically. Now, for example, if I also want to collect their name, then what I can do is here in the field section, click fields, and I click add a field. And for example, enter the first name, and then click done, and then also the last name. So now we will collect their email, first name and last name. Now what's really cool that if I again open up this pop-up and then click edit integrations right here, I can now add an integration and then click more services, and you will see they have a bunch of different email integrations. So right here we have ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Constant Contact, MailChimp, and any other one that you may be using. Then it also integrates with thousands of different apps through Zapier. For example, Brevo, ClickUp, and a bunch of different ones right here. Now in this case, the free guide will be sent to someone's email. Now for this, you will need to have an email service integration. So I could, for example, go with Constant Contact and then click Connect. Then it will open up Constant Contact. I can log into my account and then I can start creating an automation where I basically send the guide automatically to the person when they submit this form. So now what you can do is click Preview right here. So this is what the landing page will now look like. And of course you can customize this however you want. But now once they click download the guide, they will see this pop up. So the email, first name and last name. And then when they click sign up, then you can set it up so that they will receive the email automatically by using an integration. Now, for example, if I would like to change this background image, then what I can do is click on exit preview so that I get back to the editor. So when I hover over the background with my mouse, you will then see this. So I can click on the three dots here, then click edit section settings. Now here you will see the background, so I can add an image. And for example, I'll just upload an image, for example, this thumbnail, and then click my uploaded images. And then click on it right here and click insert image, and you will then see that that becomes the background. Now this does not look very good, but this is just for the example. Now you can see at the bottom here it's still open, so if you want to change that too, you just want to go over the footer and again click on the three dots and then click edit section settings, and then you can also change this text right here. And now if you want to remove the LeadPages branding, so the badge, then what you want to go and do is just go to the home page of LeadPages. Then here click on your name and go to account settings. And then from here scroll down a bit, and then here you'll see display powered by LeadPages. So in order to remove this, you will need to end your trial, but you can also wait for your trial to end. And then you can simply disable this, and then that will be gone. Now from the dashboard here, you will see an overview. So you can see the amount of views that your pages have gotten, the unique visitors, and then also the conversions. Now what you can also do with LeadPages is build sites. So again, they have a bunch of templates to create sites. For example, I'll go with most popular, and then you can see this is the most popular site, and you can again really easily create a site with the drag and drop editor. Then on top of that, you can create a blog. They have conversion tools, which are the pop-ups and the alert bars. Here you will see all of your leads. So for example, if I were to enter the free guide details, so my email, first name and last name, then I would show up here as a lead. Then in the brand section, you can go and set up your brand where you can add your own colors. So just enter the hex code, and you can also upload your own fonts so that you will have your basic branding in it. In the images section, you can upload your images. In lead magnets, you can set up lead magnets. Now for this, you will again need to end your trial. Then under integrations, you can of course integrate with a bunch of different apps, which is what I showed you earlier. And under domains, this is really important. You can go and connect your own domain. So click connect a domain. And then if you already have a domain, just enter the domain name here. And then depending on the domain provider, you will just need to go and enter some details, but you will just see the step-by-step process right here. Now this tip right here is really important. If you would like to keep the content currently published on that domain, we recommend connecting a subdomain, for example, pages.yourdomain.com. So if you already have a website on your domain, then don't connect your website domain, just create a subdomain just like this one and connect that domain right here. Now there's one more thing in LeadPages that I want to go over in this tutorial, and that's their services. So you can team up with the LeadPages experts, and basically they have a team of experts at LeadPages that you can hire. And if you click hire our marketing experts here, you will see that the LeadPages performance marketing services starts at nearly $2,000 per month. And what they will do for you is they will get you a fully optimized Google ad campaign, including copy and design. They will do SEO improvements, so technical and content, and they will give you high converting lead generation funnels. So if you don't want to do everything yourself and you have some money to spend in order to save yourself a bunch of time and also to do it better probably because this is a team of experts, then you can just go and use this as well. So I'll leave a link to this specific page down in the description as well. So that will be the LeadPages performance marketing service. So you don't need to instantly purchase it, you can just click let's talk, and then you can go and talk to them and see if they can actually help you and if it's better for you to do it through there than to do everything yourself. However, through this tutorial you will have learned how you can get started doing this yourself by creating your account, setting up your first funnels, setting up your first landing page, how you can create pop-ups, how you can edit your landing pages and use templates, and also how you can connect integrations and connect a custom domain. Now again, if you want to get started with LeadPages, just click on the first link in the description, enter your email, and just start your 14-day free trial. Then on top of that, the second link in the description will lead you to this page. So from here, you can just get started working with the LeadPages team. If this LeadPages tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.